Hi everybody, this is Anthony Daniel Rex, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see data communication network. Let's see. Network. Network is a large distributed system designed for sending information from one device to another device. What is computer network? Each and every individual autonomous computer interconnect with a single technology is called computer network. Why we need computer network? For file sharing, resource sharing, communication and collaboration, remote accesses, data protection, we need computer networks. Now we see the categories of network. Network are classified in four ways. They are LAN, PAN, MAN, WAN. LAN, local area network. PAN, personal area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, wide area network. Personal area network, PAN. Thomas Zimmerman was the first research scientist to bring the idea of personal area network. Personal area network covers an area of 30 feet. What is personal area network? Personal area network is used for connecting the computer device of personal use is known as personal area network. Personal computer devices that are used to develop the personal area network are the laptops, mobile phones, media player and PlayStation. This network classified in two ways. One is the wired personal area network, another one is the wireless personal area network. Wireless personal area network is developed by simply using wireless technology such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It is a low range network. And then wired personal area network is created by using the USB. There is the personal area network. LAN, local area network, is usually privately owned and links the device in a single office building or campus. The size of LAN is limited to a few kilometers. LAN are designed to allow resources to be shared between personal computers or workstation. This is the connection diagram of LAN. This is a single building connection and this is the multi building LAN connection. LAN mostly common topologies are bus, ring and star topology. Metropolitan area network is designed to extend over an entire city. It may be a single network like a cable television network, or it may be connecting a number of LANs into a large network. For example, a company can use a MAN to connect the LAN in all of its office throughout a city. Likewise, this ring topology, bus topology, each and every LAN connection connecting throughout the city with MAN network. A MAN may be owned by a private company or it may be a service provided by a public company such as local telephone company. Wide area network. A wide area network provides long distance transmissions of data, image, audio and video information over large geographic area, which means it connects the worldwide network. That is a wide area network. The major difference between LAN, MAN, WAN are LAN is ownership is privated, but MAN it may be privated or public, but WAN also may not be owned by one organization. LAN cost was small and man cost is medium and van cost is high. The transmission rate for LAN is 10 Mbps, for man is 100 Mbps, for WAN is 156 Mbps or 622 Mbps. The type geometrical area of LAN is small, that is less than 2 km. For man is medium and large, for less than 100 kilometers. For WAN is largest greater than 100 kilometers. These are the major difference of LAN, MAN, WAN.